Welcome to this brief overview of CIS Quote Builder, a web application, allowing users to create sales quotations with configurable options and generating a sales order in SAP Business One. Each external user can have their own environment, seeing a history of previous activity and where they can generate a new quote with configured or non-configured items. All SAP items and descriptions, customer records and price lists are used by CIS Quote Builder, allowing external users to create accurate quotations based on SAP data. The CIS connector provides a seamless data exchange between CIS and SAP using the DI, API and professional user license. CIS Quote Builder follows the same logic and business rules of SAP, requiring specific information if an order is to be allowed to be generated in SAP. Similar to Configurator working in SAP, all the models that contain specific logic for your products that have been built in the Model Builder will show if they are available in Quote Builder. The configurator is dynamic and will display questions, items and images on answers selected. This trailer model displays a different number of questions and items based on the answers selected. Different question types and features allow you to display single or multiple images as well as items. There are a number of question and answer formats available, but in each case, a question or answer can be dependent on a previous answer or on a condition created in the Model Builder. Different question types allow single or multiple answers, user input with minimums and maximums, text inputs and item filters. The Model Builder is used to create calculations, generating the correct quantity of items based on a user input and rules associated. If at any time the user changes direction, the configurator checks any rules that apply and notifies the user by presenting a dialog box and questions that need answering again with a question mark. Each configuration records all the items and questions and the answers selected by the user before exiting. Once the configuration is complete, it can be stored as a single line item, a line item with items expanded beneath it, with or without pricing. The same combinations are applicable to the quote report, the standard being shown in this example. Once a quote is created, pricing can be locked by using the Submit button. A revision process allows the user to update the quote any number of times before submitting the quote as an order. After the order has been submitted, the order number generated by SAP Business One is pulled into Quote Builder, acknowledging that the order has been created inside SAP Business One. When SAP is accessed, the sales order created in CIS Quote Builder will be present and will be checked to see if an identical bill of material has been created before. It will use that parent identification. If it has not been created before, it will create a new one. In each case, you can see the correct quantity of the items that make up the bill of materials. Thank you for taking the time to viewing our presentation. Please do not hesitate either calling us or emailing us at the address on the screen. Thank you again.